So in Safari, I have tabs, and you can see here, I have tabs across the top here, and I can close any of those tabs by clicking on that little cross there. I can add a new tab by clicking on the plus sign. In Google, I can search for something in the top right hand corner. Up here, Google is the default search tool. If I go to Google and search for something, so I'll search for Michael, I can either click on a link and it will take me there, and you'll see that in the top left hand corner I can go back. Instead of that, if I hold, I get that option and I can open it in a new tab. And you'll see here in the top right hand corner here, it's opened in a new tab. You'll also see that I can copy that address, open it, or add to a reading list. The iPad knows that there are some pages that read better in a different format. So for instance, if I go to the Sydney Morning Herald and look at this article here, you'll see in the top address bar up here it says Reader. So instead of reading this article like this, and I can pinch and zoom and all of the like, but instead of that, if I want, I can click on that Reader and it will open up that article in this view. I can change the size of the font. I can get a definition, just like in an EPUB.